How long did it take you to get everything that you have on?
I have a very generous team. This was a 3-hour whiteout look.
Only 3 hours.
Actually, yeah, they work quick, so thank God.
Can you see?
Slightly, I think it's a little blurry, but laban.
And then itong paint?
Yeah, but it's dry. You can touch.
So tell us about your character.
Sure. So I'm embodying the spirit of Encanto. I'm representing Ifugao, so specifically Encanto of the forest.
Can we see the back?
Sure.
Wow, and then you were doing some ballet moves?
Yeah. I spent 20 years learning how to do coins, so it finally paid off.
Wow, congratulations to you and your team. And your hair is...
It's a wig.
Okay, it's a wig, so it's perfectly put in.
Yes,
like
thank
flawless.
you.
You can't see anything like
That
from
was
your
the
dark
goal.
hair. Yeah. Enjoy!
Thank you so much, po. My face has latex. So yeah, very limited.
Okay, just a few words. Can you tell us about your character today?
Yeah, sure.
wearing?
So, my costume for tonight is inspired by Magindara. It is a mythical creature in my father's hometown, in Buhita, Marilusur. So she is half mermaid and half human, hence the designs. Also, this is made out of styrofoam.
Nice.
Yeah, so this
It
is
looks super cute.
Thank you so much.
The back.
Also, the back is just like, sorry. This is the back. But the design is mainly focused on the mermaid itself. I call her nameless because she doesn't have a name. And then me.
All right, we'll let you go because we don't want to like, we have a hard time to approach because you have latex or anything.
Yes, we're gonna have it redone after before
Thank
going
you.
to the...
Take care.
Yes, thank
Are
you
you
so
going to be
much.
good for the finals?
Yes, I am.
Are
I'm
you
very
nervous
excited.
or what are you feeling?
Well, nervous is very common emotion, but right now I'm really just excited for what's ahead, especially it's 2 days away. And yeah, I'm excited to see our new queen.
I have this beautiful deity called Mariana Makiling. So I'm actually embodying her. So she's a very beautiful deity and she protects the forests and then she gives away bountiful produce to the farmers. So that's what I'm embodying today. And also if I may just share, it's actually my 3rd year to wear Mariana Makiling. Author of my pageantry, I've been wearing Mariana Makiling for my national costume. And then, quick backstory, when we were deciding on who to wear this year, I thought, oh, we can probably change it up a bit. But then I realized probably, Maria Makiling has always been guiding me all throughout. So I'm like wearing her final stage now and completely embodying her persona.
Beautiful, I love it. So fresh and vibrant with all the greenery.
Yes po.
And how are you feeling for the finals?
Oh my God, it's actually po nerve-wracking because in just about 2 days, all our hard works, our efforts, our sacrifices are into culmination. So parang, well, exciting, but at the same time nerve-wracking. Also gives me a lot of roller coaster emotions because I'm gonna miss my Miss Universe Philippines sisters so much talaga.
Yeah. So, do you think that it's going to be very tough to win? Is it a very stiff competition?
It actually is po, sobra talaga. Pero it's an honor to be a part of this roster kasi ang daming magagaling na veterans. Tapos, even yung mga newcomers in the pageant industry,
Yeah.
they're also proving their spot there. So parang makakatuwa. Exactly.
How are you different in these last couple of months since joining Miss Universe? What has been the development in you? What would you say?
Yes, actually po, we were just talking about this one with my Miss Universe Philippines sisters, how we're all developed and how we were able to discover more of ourselves during the competition because I've joined several pageants before too, but this one is like a brand new experience. Like I was able to reconnect with myself and to actually get to know more of myself because that's what the Miss Universe Philippines wants us to do, to dig deeper on who we actually are and to show our truest authenticity.
So, how much would you want to win the title to represent the Philippines in the Miss Universe? Yeah.
It would be my biggest honor and privilege to be able to carry the Philippines again and and my sash across my shoulder and over my heart and to be given the second chance to represent the country this time and I'll do my best. I'll always put my best foot forward, and hopefully, fingers crossed po, I get to win the Miss Universe Philippines crown this year and be the best Filipino representative po for the country.
Who's your super inspiration, motivation for this pageant that you're joining?
For this pageant, it actually is my family because I'm very family oriented po. And actually, I miss
Okay.
them so much.
Yeah,
But I'm actually glad po na they're watching today. But they give me all the strength that I need, and also the people rallying behind me. You know, everybody's just rooting. There are some people who are, you know, there are people who give about groundless criticism, harsh criticisms. But my family really make me strong, and the people also who are very supportive.
Nice. Well, you're glowing up to the final day, so congratulations already.
Ay, salamat po, Miss Diane.
I'm a deer. It's very light. It's made of iron.
Oh, and what how nice the materials, huh?
Yes.
Very well done.
And it's very detailed. This is designed by Sir Jory Club, Business Bag.
It's
The attention to
beautiful.
detail.
You must be feeling so good wearing it.
It is.
Right. And what about the finals coming up? We have a new queen going to be crowned.
Yes.
You up for the challenge of the
I am
finals?
up for it. We're gonna fight.
Good luck, Miss Baguio.
Thank you so much.